Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab S10 FE and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's go to the screen lock and biometrics and confirm everything with your screen lock. Now let's tap on fingerprints in biometrics section, tap on continue and tap on register. So as you can see, we have to move our finger around the sensor, which is on the power button of this device. So let me just quickly check where it is. As you can see, it's right here, just above the volume buttons. So just tap on register and try to place the finger, and we have to slowly move it around to just record it without lifting it. So just to go up, maybe left and right also, just to catch everything. All right, we just successfully did it. So if you want, you can add another. If not, just tap on done. Now we have to test our fingerprint, so just put it on the sensor. Okay, so it's a little bit uncomfortable. So let me put my finger. I am touching. Okay, it was recognized. So let's tap on done. Here we've got the fingerprint section. So this is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it, add another fingerprint, check added fingerprint. So especially if you've got more than one added, so you can check which one is which. Fingerprint unlock. So you can decide whether you want to use it for the unlocking option, and the fingerprint is always on. Alright, so even though we just checked our fingerprint, I'd like to lock our device and then try to unlock it with my fingerprint. So let me try to do it, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that really the fingerprint works. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.